You said I done you wrong, that I wrecked your happy home, that we both tried so hard, we both know well. Let's take another chance to renew our old romance. And if we love each other, time will tell. I know, dear, what it means to live without you. These lonely nights are driving me insane. The lonely nights are driving me insane. But before I have someone I love so dearly, when people ask what's wrong, I'll take the blame. Yes, when people ask what's wrong, I'll take the blame. Thank you. My golly, your picture's been taken on about 4 different machines. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're not all running, but they're all ready to go. I don't know how to be after dark. There'll not be too much lighting around here after night. There's one little electric light plant here in the back doing the job.
How do you find your way out?
Anyhow, they said about bluegrass music. Young Sound of the Grass said
Feel your way out, I guess.
about me sticking with bluegrass. I've been sticking to bluegrass for 50 years or better, and I ain't on another station. The reason why I didn't get on another station, I'm promoting the bluegrass and the old-time country, and I won't take a job any other way. So that's one reason why I got off of the other one. All the stations wanted to down bluegrass music. They don't want it to get a start. They don't want it to go anywhere. But I'm going to keep plugging it to the day they put me under the ground. That's the way that is, boy. Yes, indeed. Thank you. Gosh, you got a lot of bluegrass out there. We appreciate that. Now we got a birthday back there. A young man sold tickets for me up at Mountainside when I had Jim Reeves. Yeah, I think he's back there. Dutchman, hold your hand up. Yeah, the Dutchman. He's got a birthday there today. I'm going to wish him a happy birthday. And I hope he lives forever and I live 2 weeks longer. Now, boy, that's not wishing for much. Anyhow, I'm going to get the gal up here. He's been such a sinful guy. You know what I'm going to do? I'll bet you don't. Suppose you make a guess. Suppose you make a guess.
No, it's red.
What it's going to be? No. Because of him, I want you to sing Why Not Confess. Do you know that? Yeah, Why Not Confess. Happy birthday, Dutch. Stand up. Stand up. Let's give him a hand. He's 29. He's 29 today and he's holding. He's been holding for 50.